In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop shadow in Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you want to create a drop shadow for either an image or a text layer, then we can do this in a couple easy steps. Now the first thing is to come over to Window in the top navigation and make sure you have Effects selected like so, and then you should see the Effects tab in the bottom navigation. So now what you need to do is just go and click on the Effects tab, use the search box and type in drop shadow and hit enter. And then if we scroll down, you should see this drop shadow effect. Now what we can do is go and drag this onto our object or text layer, and that's going to automatically apply the drop shadow effect. So now in effect controls in the top left hand side, we can scroll down this window and you should see the drop shadow effect. So what you can do now is make adjustments to this drop shadow. So for example, I can go and increase the distance of the shadow. I can also increase the softness, and you can change things like the color of the shadow, as well as changing the opacity as well. Now, like I said, this works with both images and text, and it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.